Thank you so much for the prelims classes before the exam, because I think I would have lost the confidence to give the exam this year also if we hadn't done those classes. Although the moment I saw the paper, I thought, did Naman knew the paper? How many questions have come from the discussions we have done already? So yeah, it was very helpful, especially the discussions in the class. I could recall a lot of things because we have already pondered upon it. And yeah, I don't know if I'm clearing this time the prelims or not, but definitely got the confidence to study for the next year. And I don't want to leave any stone unturned.